invited out Miss Tony Miranda.
Nice! Time, learn the simple tools through your smile.
Woo! 3, be there. Be mindful asking, how are you?
The beauty about it is, I will give you burnout, and lahat ng connected yan, no? Burnout, stress, anxiety, is affecting our heart. Agree? 5, 6, yeah? Okay, those 3, okay? 5. By describing our emotions na exaggerated. To get one. Yeah? No one is too late to get an accountability for your wellness. We need to what? Teach. Go back to your team how to apply the tools that we learned later.
Our future is determined by your actions now. Let's learn the CALM system.
I never knew the system of CAL. Love it! Okay. Tatlo, nakadivide yan sa 3 columns. What's that? Green symptoms? Hindi mo ma-express. Okay, sige. Pero, totally magpahinga ka muna. Rest. Because red is stop. How are you? That's why how are you is very practice that sa katabi natin. Yeah, sin tayo. Negative. Burn out ka. Sakita mo! Burn out na. Kailangan appreciation and maybe someone you are grateful for. Okay. Clara, tell each other thank you. Don't far, marami dyan. Kailangan na appreciate. Say thank you to each other. Nice. Yeah, do it at the back. Oh, yeah. I love that. Okay, yeah. Ano sabi? Yung ganyan ng rhythm. You need a rest rhythm. Then, that's the techniques that you can apply first to yourself. That's my high recommendation. Apply it first to yourself. When you notice the change in you, mindfulness is what? It's a necessity. So you need to be that leader. You need to be that individual contributor, that individual, that father, mother, daughter, son, or parent. You need to be that person who is intentional, who have clarity to apply.
Maraming salamat, Miss Tony Miranda, for that very powerful talk, for the wealth of tips, Miranda, and for us to give our appreciation to our speaker.